Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have an in the post video, and this is in the post number 69, and towards the end I'll be doing the £2 trading card update. So you're getting in effect two videos in one. So the first one in this in the post thing is George Michael. Fantastic singer, wonderful singer, deserves to be included in the music icons. He died so very sadly at a very young age, and he's greatly missed by the music community. I will be doing a full review on these coins slightly later. Next one is a £2 coin. This one is from 2023 and it's a Gibraltar coin, and it is the second part of their Christmas 2023 coins. There is the 50p and £2 coin. This one has Christmas tree kids around it. Again, I'll be doing a full review, which you'll probably see in the Christmas run-in, the 31 videos in 31 days of December, in the Advent run-in. Next one is a Gibraltar £5 coin from 2021, or is it 2022? Can't quite remember. It's the council house in Gibraltar, and it's celebrating 100 years of the council house. Again, I'll be doing a video on that at a later period. I just need to find out some information first. I am still waiting for Westminster to get me the blue card version of this. This is of course the new Star Wars series, the first coin in the Star Wars series, and this is a Millennium Falcon. It is their aircrafts or their spacecrafts, vehicles, whatever you want to call them. There's 4 of them in the set, and this is the first one. Again, when I get the blue card through, I'll be doing a full review of the two coins. Next we have two £5 coins that have just come out recently. First one is one that I've already got in the silver from a couple of years ago, and that is the Maid Marian. She's showing there in the trees in Sherwood Forest with her bow and quiver of arrows. Buckingham Palace is the next £5 coin. Not 100% sure whether they're going to be doing the Palace series or not. I've heard rumours both ways, but if it is, this is the first one of the Palace series. It's a £5 coin, and it shows, as you would have seen if you've seen my 2024 annual set, I've given a brief description about this, and I will do an in-depth review. This shows the front facade of the palace, and in the centre you've got the area where the royal family come out and do the balcony views. Next one, I'm waiting from the Royal Mint for the coloured version of this. This is the Diplodocus coin, 50p. Again, I think this one probably will look a lot better as a coloured version. And finally we have another first aid cover. This one is the Age of the Dinosaurs. We've got 8 stamps, first and second class stamps, and we have the postcards. I will be doing a full review of that in the very near future. I might well get the 350p or the 350p coins that have been issued as well to show alongside it. I don't know yet. And finally, we have 2 new additions to the book. from from trading cards for change checker traded cards. The first one we have here, well, the first one we come across is the Shakespeare's Histories. This card is one of the most probably highest mintage cards that we could find. The other one I got was the Rugby World Cup. So in total now I have there's 11 in the set. We have the Commonwealth Games from 1986 from Edinburgh. We have the 1996 Euros. Both of those are the excuse me, are the solid brass coins. We then have the first commemorative that was part of the bimetallic, which was the rugby. I'm missing the Commonwealth Games, Northern Ireland. I have the gunpowder plot. I'm missing the Olympic centenary from 2008, which is, oops, let me just pick up the book a little bit. So I'm missing the 2008 centenary Olympics. I have the Florence Nightingale. I have the Mary Rose. I'm missing the 2012 London Rio handover. And I have the 2016 histories, Shakespeare's Histories, and the Britannia from, it's supposed to cover 4 years, 2015, 16, 21 and 22. Although 21 and 22 have never been released into circulation. So of the three I have left to find, Rio handover, quite low mintage, quite difficult to find in real life. The Olympic Games centenary, again quite difficult to find, quite low mintage. And the lowest mintage of all £2 coins in circulation, the 2002 Manchester Commonwealth Games for Northern Ireland. Now, in previous years, and particularly in the first series, the amount of cards that were issued equaled the amount of coins that were minted. I don't know whether that still holds true in this series, but if it is, it's noticeable that the three that I'm missing are three of the lower minted coins. Let's hope too much that they aren't like that first set. So that finishes this particular in the post. I hope you've enjoyed it. Now I've just put the light on, realising that I hadn't had the light on properly. I hope you didn't spoil it too much. I'll have a look at the video before I release it. I do a minimum of 5 videos, normally 6 videos a week. I'm also trying to, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. I also am doing, or trying to improve my subscription level. I aimed for 250 at the end of last year and reached that target. I'm looking to add another 175 this year to make it 425 subscribers by the end of December 2024. At the moment I'm on 294 and we're on the 23rd of March. So I still have a way to go. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't yet done so, could you think about subscribing? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.